Namaste everyone. I'm Pravina Tota, founder Women Envision for Entrepreneurship, and it's today a privilege to be a special guest today at the tournament, and I'm glad to meet Mr. Gaud Garu, and I want to know, I was very surprised. Like the throw ball, I would always think it's only for the kids, age students, age group of teenage, less than that. But now I'm literally surprised. It's even useful for women. So I was so curious to know from him exactly how it is useful for the women only.
Exactly, madam. Actually, throw ball is a recreational sport, madam. Recreational sport. It is being played across the globe, particularly in the Asian subcontinent, India, Pakistan, Sri Lanka, Malaysia, and all subcontinent countries. In throw ball being played in all age groups. Throw ball is being played below 15 years, below 18 years, above 18 years, and even below 40 years, 50 years, 60 years also being played across subcontinent of Asia. And recently we have been conducted one tournament for housewives also in Hyderabad recently, but it was not kicked up just because of COVID norms in Hyderabad city. Throw ball is an easy sport and more convenient for women only, as it is less injury prone game for women, and it is very skillful game. Any women can play with their arms very easily, as the court playing area and the arena is very small compared to football or handball, like major games. So women who are sitting idle or away from sport also can play this game, start the game at any age. Below 40 years also they can play, above 40, above 50, above 60 also they can play.
So actually, can they use, because every community has a space nowadays.
Yeah.
So if they have little place where they use for shuttle and everything, even they can utilize that.
Exactly.
Okay, that's what I want to know, because they
exactly.
people give that.
Yeah, exactly, madam. It is like a badminton court only, just more than badminton court. It is a length and breadth of a throw ball court is 18 by 30 meters and width is 12.20 meters. Just more than badminton court. Nowadays in any gated community you can find many number of badminton courts in outdoor and indoor halls.
Because they give importance to children, they give importance to men, they want the recreation, but when it comes to women, probably, instead of creating our own special thing, probably whatever is there, we can make use of it. That's what, with less expense, only the ball.
Only ball and one net is enough. Nothing else.
Like however will be there, so only the ball we need.
Ball you need, that's all.
So we can have that, again get back to the sports arena actually, because how it will be helpful to bring focus actually.
See, once you play throw ball, madam, you being adapted to that game. That is a this thing very knack, and that is the importance of throw ball, madam. Once anybody at any age, if anybody start playing throw ball, no, they used to play throw ball regularly, madam.
But the focus, is there any technique, where it improves our focus or, concentration? Because, sometimes people kids after engineering, maybe second year something, they won't get an opportunity to playing games.
Yeah.
So maybe they just started working 20s.
Yeah.
So they improve their focus. Any technique that helps them to improve their focus as a part of game?
Just catching and throwing are the main.
One side.
Yes. Catching and throwing are the main skills in throw ball, madam. How to hold the ball and how to throw the ball are the only two skills. At any age, anybody can do that.
But when they, so you said when they have to take the right side, then they
Yeah.
that I wanted.
Yeah. Thing is that, madam, some rules are there in throw ball. Like shifting. Shifting means if a player holds the ball here, he can't shift the ball towards his right side. He has to throw from this side only.
Okay.
If he collects the ball over the shoulder level, he should throw, or she should throw this from this side only. If she shifts the ball towards her non-throwing or throwing arm, then it is called foul. So both sides, non-throwing and throwing arm side, our neuromuscular and physical capacities will be increased by playing throw ball. And we cannot hold the ball over the head.
Okay.
We should collect the ball over the shoulder level only.
Oh, that helps in it's kind of
If it helps in building our shoulder muscles, madam.
strength. Okay.
Knee joints, knee, calf muscles, and while throwing, all the shoulder muscle, all the pectoral and major, minor, and all muscles will be involved while throwing the.
And they need to be focused when they're throwing, and especially, the main concept I feel is whatever the research, if they are doing from here, with this only they need to. So they have
They
to be
should aim
more
the
focused.
target where should we have to throw the ball. After collection of the ball, we should aim at the opponent side, and we have to focus our target and throw the ball to that point only. So, for example, one weak player in other side, we have to aim that weak player only. Then we can secure points very easily. If you throw at a strong player, no, that player can hold the ball and he can reverse.
So there the logical thinking also
Yeah,
matters.
yeah, neuromuscular.
So they need to be observation.
Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. Neuromuscular and mind and focusing on the game will be there.
So that's really nice, and so now what I really I should thank Vikram Pest Control for inviting, because I was not aware. For women also, we always either they go for a walk or they do something like not in particular some game for them.
Yeah.
Now I would say throw ball is dedicated for women,
Exactly.
especially for women to
Exclusively.
make their way, because they can enjoy. They can, first thing is like they think about building their health. Health is something like they are least bothered sometimes because they are taking care of the family.
Yeah.
But this is going to be recreation and the healthy habits they can build, and it will be really nice. And thank you so much, and I look forward from all Women in Vision. We would like to promote, and we would like you to have sessions on that.
Sure, madam. On behalf of our Telangana Throwball Association, we wholeheartedly extend our support in your women empowerment scheme, madam. Certainly, we are at your daily work.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
madam. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.